a right turn coming up here. Slow down. Alright, go ahead. So they're turning left, so you can just go ahead and go out. You've got to go in the middle. You see like how you just click that off? You don't have to actually do that. It clicks off by itself. See, you're doing actually pretty well, like, but then you're young anyway, I expect that. I said you're doing good, but I'm not surprised. Young people always like pick it up fast. Alright, start slowing down, see. So you've been to Honduras, right? Yeah.
And then I've been to the Bahamas, and that's it.
That's it. That's cool. Yeah, I've actually been everywhere.
Really? You like traveling?
I love traveling.
Me too.
I've been all over Europe. I've been all over
Really?
Africa. I've been to practically all the islands. Most of them several times. Yeah, I love traveling. There's really not much I like doing better than traveling.
I want to go to Hawaii. That's the one place that
Yeah.
I want to go there so bad.
My wife and my daughter and a couple of my nieces, two of my nieces, they went there last year.
Did they like it?
They loved it. They have this annual girls trip that they go on. So last year they went to Hawaii. They were there for like, I think, 10 days or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, they were supposed to be in Greece right now. And that they had to cancel that due to Mr. Corona.
My coworker was in Europe when they locked down everything.
Yeah?
So she was like stuck over there for like quite some time.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there are people, there's lots of people that actually were stuck there. Yeah, they were supposed to be going to Greece. You know, Greece is right next to Italy, and Italy is like out of control with people dying everywhere. So yeah, that was.
But that's how we're gonna be here because they keep opening everything.
Yep. Everybody's in a rush to open up.
I feel like they should just close everything down.
I think they should just wait
Not let anybody go out their house, like
for a while.
serious quarantine, and then.
Well, that's the only way we're gonna get past this thing.
But it's just they think about money and stuff like that, and they don't want to shut it.
Well, they think about money, right? But what about us people? What about self-preservation? You know what I mean? How about we just look out for ourselves and say, no, you can say what you want, but I'm not going.
But there's always those people, like, did you see those people protesting?
I know.
Saying that, my...
With their guns and whatnot?
Not even just that, but just like my choice. How are you going to tell me to stay inside, open everything
my
up?
choice, my life. Yeah. I don't understand. But that's what I'm saying. The people that feel that way, let them do it. You know?
And then it just makes it harder for everyone else. And then
does.
There's also like the families, like, because there's some families that like may not qualify for like the money in the, like every month, you know?
Who's giving them money every month?
Like the, what's it called? Like the 1,200?
But they're not doing it every month. It's a one-time thing.
Oh, that was it?
That was it.
Every month? That's what they said.
Absolutely not. It's one time.
But
Canada is doing $2,000 per month
Really?
for 6 months. Yes, they did that one time. I think the Democrats, Congress is actually fighting right now for a second round of stimulus for the people. You understand? But the other party is fighting for stimulus for the business, not the people. They want to help the business class more, I suppose. But yeah, that was a one-time thing. I didn't get it, so I can't say nothing.
But not even just like, it's just like there's like people who like really just don't have money and they're not working, and then the people who aren't being like considerate of everyone else. Now those families are going even longer without working, which is like not.
It's not good. It's
Yeah.
not good, but yeah. Unfortunately, people are not thinking about other people.
They don't
You
think
understand?
about themselves.
Everybody's thinking about themselves. That's just facts. Sad, but that's the reality. Everybody's thinking about what's, people say, oh, I don't want to be in the house. I don't want to be cooped up in the house. Like, who wants to be cooped up in the house? Like, I'd rather be out.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not, you know, it's not personal. This thing is going for everybody. So
Yeah.
you just got to just deal with the situation. That's the hand we're dealt. We have to play those cards until we can do better. That's just facts. But yeah, unfortunately, because I watch some people and I'm just like, wow, like
There's
what
people
the
going
hell?
into stores without masks
I know.
and stuff, and like
People going in
getting so
bars and
close.
just crowds of people in bars all up in each other's face.
Yeah.
No mask. They have no mask on. They're not social distancing. They're just like right up on it. I think it was in Boston or somewhere I saw on the news this morning.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they had a case and they won the case, I guess. You know, they threw out the fact that they wanted to be able to go out if they want to. And the bars are not open and whatever. And people are just like there. Full. I'm like, wow.
My boyfriend's family in Massachusetts,
Mm-hmm.
they came in, it was like it's like his aunt and like her husband and their son turned, I don't even know how old, he was like really young.
Mm-hmm.
So they threw this little party for him, and it turns out someone had corona,
Oh my God.
and now Lord knows how many people have it.
Yeah, that happens a lot.
He told me that, and he didn't specify which aunt, but he told me in person that his aunt got it, and I was like, I'm about to get out of this car right now. I'm not catching corona.
He was at the party?
No, he was at the party. It
Oh,
was
okay.
They were supposed to come like the week after, but they didn't end up coming.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't care. I will social distance for like 3 months if I have to. I'm not seeing you if somebody in your family has to.
You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
It is crazy. But yeah, there's a lot of people being super careless. I don't get it. But I think it's against the law right now. If you knowingly pass it on to somebody, yeah, you
That's
can
like
get into
anything,
trouble.
you know? Like,
Yeah. Like,
unless
yeah.
they're trying to give somebody something that could kill them.
That could kill them, yeah. But that is mad crazy that people are just, some people are like going on planes and whatnot, knowing that they have the virus. Like, seriously.
I have like, I'm supposed to be going to Puerto Rico in July,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm like
It's
praying.
probably not going to happen.
I know, but I'm praying that it doesn't get canceled. But
Yeah, I've been to Puerto Rico a couple times.
I went there like a long time ago.
I've been there several because my wife is from St. Thomas.
Mm-hmm.
So I stopped in Puerto Rico many times, just like on the way to St. Thomas.
Mm-hmm.
But then I've cruised into Puerto Rico and went touring in Puerto Rico probably 2 or 3 times. So, and on top of just stopping at the airport, I've cruised, I've toured it, went to the rainforest and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love their sunsets over there. It's so pretty.
Sunsets, island sunset, yeah. That's what's up. Who's from Puerto Rico? Your boyfriend's from Puerto Rico?
No, he's Brazilian, but my dad, well, my stepdad,
Yeah, he's from Puerto Rico?
yeah. So
Okay.
he's got the family over there, so I'm gonna go there, visit everybody, and then, well, I hope. But
Yeah, right now, July, that don't look too good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everything is not going to be opened up by July. It'd be nice if it is. I would really love that, but I don't
honestly,
think so.
all of this could have been over if it was just like
It was handled properly.
yeah.
Yeah. Facts. Okay, so we're gonna go down to like Sample, and then we're gonna make a right and go back up to 441 from Sample. So yeah,
Where's Sample?
it's the south.
Okay.
You
I
know,
don't know my roads like that.
You and everybody else that's learning to drive. Very rarely do you find someone learning to drive that actually know.
I mean, I know like Glades and stuff like that.
Because you live right there.
Yeah, and like Clintmore and all that.
Yeah, that's good. That's good because there's people that don't even know the street over from their street. Okay, so I think we have enough footage now. We can end this video. Alright, so as you see, even though she's a new driver, she's doing pretty good. All right, so thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share.